Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're starting the update now. First, confirm your phone's Android version and the Android Auto app build because compatibility matters. Once done, connect the phone to the car using a quality USB cable. Bluetooth can work, but USB is more reliable for system updates. Make sure the phone is above 50% battery and battery saver is off so the process won't pause. While the car is parked with the engine or accessory power on, open Android Auto to begin the update sequence. Now execute the main steps. Open Android Auto, go to Settings, then About and tap Check for updates so the app queries the server. If an update appears, follow the on-screen prompts exactly. Grant any permissions Android Auto requests so installations and data migrations can complete. During download and installation, watch the progress indicator and avoid disconnecting the cable, turning off the car, or switching apps. Interrupting this phase can corrupt the update and require a repeat or reset. Finish by restarting both your phone and the car's infotainment system so new components initialize cleanly. Once rebooted, launch Android Auto and confirm it pairs and displays normally. Make sure notifications, background activity, and required permissions remain enabled so voice, messaging, and navigation work. If something goes wrong, first clear the app cache or reinstall Android Auto, then retry with a different USB cable or port. This single troubleshooting step fixes most failures caused.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.